If you work in IT, you already know how to build things that run without you. Servers, systems, automations, infrastructure that keeps working while you're asleep or on vacation or dealing with something else entirely. You have built that skill over years and it is genuinely valuable. The question is are you applying it to something that actually gives you the freedom you want? Because if you're putting 50 to 60 hours per week and you are thinking about starting something on the side, then the options most people consider are going to disappoint you. Like an AI business sounds exciting, but it's finicky. The tools change constantly. What works today will get disrupted in a week or two, and it needs you all of the time. And not just to build it, but to keep it alive. What about e commerce? That sounds good on paper, but that has always been incredibly volatile. Ad costs spike, margins get squeezed, and you're always one algorithm change away from starting all over. An agency can sound pretty cool, but agencies trade time for money in a different way. And you are always going to be the product. You're always selling, and you're always one client away from having a terrible month. See, these are not bad ideas. They're just the wrong fit for someone who has already got a full schedule and wants something that compounds in the background. And what you actually need is a business that runs on systems that you build for a living. So let me introduce you to something you've probably never thought about seriously: high ticket office cleaning. I know, but stay with me for a second because I guarantee you nobody has ever presented it to you the way I'm about to. See, this is not about a cleaning job. This is not about you showing up somewhere with a mop, God forbid. Stated plainly, you don't clean a thing. You are building a system that delivers premium cleaning services to professional offices near you, and those offices pay between $5,000 and $10,000 per month each for those premium services. And before we go any further, I think it's important to answer this question: who am I, and why should you care what I have to say? My name is Mike Mack, and I have built and exited two cleaning companies in two separate states. I'm now currently building my third from scratch in a brand new state. And for the last 6 years plus, I've helped hundreds of 9 to 5ers build their very own high ticket cleaning businesses completely on the side. Now let's get back into it. Once you have clients in place, what happens next is you recruit great people, send them to the office to do the cleaning at night. Then, after a month or two, take your best cleaner and turn him into a part time manager. And that position basically manages everything on the ground at night. Cleaners clocking in, someone calls out sick, equipment needs help, all of it. Someone gets locked out of an office, doesn't matter. They're going to take care of it and make sure your clients and cleaners stay happy. That's it. And here's the thing that really should make your brain light up: the marketing also runs on systems. You build a process that educates only the right clients in your area. It gets them to see your company as the obvious choice and has them reaching out to you. Yeah, you're not cold calling anyone. You're not knocking on doors. You're not becoming a bona fide sales rep. You're essentially deploying a system that does the attracting for you. Does that sound familiar? Now, here's why someone in IT specifically wins big with this model. Like I said earlier, you think in systems. That's not a soft skill. That is a hard advantage in a business where most owners are just kind of figuring things out as they go. See, you, my friend, think in escalation paths. When something goes wrong at an account, your first instinct isn't to panic. It is just process. Who handles this? What's the next step? How do we make sure this doesn't happen again? That's exactly how you run a tight, high ticket cleaning business operation. You think in terms of remote monitoring. You do not need to be on site for things to work. You can check a dashboard. You get a Slack notification. You get confirmation that the job was done. That mindset is the entire model. And here's one other thing almost everyone is going to overlook: your network currently is a superpower. You work in a professional environment. You probably work around a great building right now that is in need of great cleaning. You know people in your industry who manage offices, they oversee other facilities, or they make vendor decisions. That's your first client, maybe your first 3 clients. And that's before you ever send your first piece of marketing outreach. The type most people in this game, it takes them months, if not years, to try to create that same type of momentum. You'll have it right outside of the gate. And now this next part, I believe, is absolute gold. We're going to talk about 3 things you may be thinking about that could get in the way of you making this a reality, starting with time. You don't have much of it. This business is about an hour or 2 a day. Marketing goes out, Slack updates come in, a walkthrough here and there placed on your schedule. And that's essentially the week. All of the cleaning services happen at night, never touches your day job. Next, on you landing accounts. You're not a salesperson, and you don't have to be. The system does the sales. When a client reaches out to you, it's because your marketing made them feel understood. That's not a sales conversation. That is basically a confirmation call. And lastly, what about growing this thing successfully? The operation gets smoother as you add more accounts, not harder, because every new client runs on the same system as the last one. And your manager gets more experience. The whole thing gets tighter. And then from there, you're just adding revenue without padding on complexity, which is exactly how good infrastructure scales. Now, I know this is not the sexiest business you've ever heard of. I'm not going to pretend it is, but I want you to take it from someone who has tried and failed with many other businesses. And my best piece of advice is the model is much more important than the curb appeal of the business. So while this business may lack in some sexiness, it is the one that's going to actually fit around your life. It's the one that's actually going to run on systems you already understand. It's not going to blow up your schedule. It's not going to become a second job. But what it will do is it's going to give you something that most side businesses never give you: options. Just 5 premium clients at $5,000 a month. That's $25,000 per month in recurring revenue. That is not fantasy. That is 4 to 6 months of disciplined execution on a model that's actually built for the kind of person you already are. You just probably never thought to look here before. And if you're serious about building this type of business, but you just want to understand this model a little bit more and see if it's actually viable for you, watch this video right here. It's probably the most important video on my channel. Go check it out.